Vamos dar prosseguimento aqui. Iniciar mais uma campanha aqui, a segunda parte. E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de 007 First Light. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. Participem aí da comunidade do Discord. Participem aí da Twitch. E hoje, galera, nós vamos iniciar mais uma campanha aqui. A segunda parte, na verdade, de 007, né? First Light. Peço para todos que estiverem aí vendo pela Twitch, não se esqueçam, deixem um like. E a galera que estiver aí, anotem o meu canal principal no YouTube, é Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. A galera que estiver vendo pelo YouTube. E hoje, galera, a gente vai começar a segunda parte de uma nova campanha aqui que a gente iniciou praticamente ontem, né? Até a atual data que vocês estão vendo no vídeo. Opa, tomar não dá direitos autorais. De 007 First Light. A última parte, a gente tava na ilha da Islândia, parece. E a gente vai continuar aqui o treinamento de James Bond. Não, aquela offline. E a gente vai continuar aqui na ilha Malta, né? Onde que paramos no último episódio, né? No modo história. Lembrando que a primeira vez que eu jogo esse game é recém-lançamento, né? É um jogo que lançou, acho, mês passado, um mês retrasado. E a gente vai continuar aqui as aventuras de James Bond. O modo história, vamos lá. A última, o buraco da agulha. Bond aceitou participar do novo programa de treinamento MID. MID é o órgão que ele vai se juntar, né? Ele se juntou aos outros recrutas em Malta, a ilha de Malta, né? É um país chamado Malta, que começaram 6 meses antes dele. É isso mesmo. Aqui nós vai começar um novo treinamento. Aprender a ensinar o James as táticas e os movimentos básicos, né? É o que é o propósito da gameplay hoje. Vamos esperar carregar aqui. Eu parei nessa parte. Ah, esqueci o nome seu.
2 weeks. Tick tock. Come on.
Trying to get a move on? Well, that didn't take too long.
Ah, esqueci, correr.
Who do you belong with?
Ah, esse é o cara que montou acompanhou o Rio, né? Ah, esqueci. Olha lá, vamos lá. Vamos ver o golpe básico, desviar. Use A para desviar de inimigos que tentam agarrar você ou de um ataque inimigo. Arma de choque. Um passe letal sem cronometrada também vai desviar os golpes inimigos. Use o movimento de forma agressiva para evitar golpes. Se mova rapidamente de inimigo para inimigo. Ah, entendi. Iniciar.
Don't let it finish. Christ. You need to step up, Bond.
Deixa eu ver. Golpe para parar ataques. Use B para parar ataques. Contra-ataque. Apare alguns ataques. Acionará um temporizador, tornando o inimigo vulnerável.
Not even trying, are you?
Isso, James!
Give me 100.
Peraí. O que é isso aqui? É treinamento de corrida? Ah, estamos...
1, 2.
On roll, ele tá nos treinando, né? Ah, da hora.
Course requirement is 30 seconds or less. Get to the flag. You know the drill.
For the love of God, isn't that enough misery for one night?
Well done.
Nossa, cara.
Charge him, come on!
Ah, aperta pra cima, né? Ah, legal. Ó, o James tá... James tá
Top
aprendendo.
man. Hit 3 targets. About time. Something like that.
Desse jeito? Ah. Aê, James!
Be my best. You need to be confident, bold, and take chances.
That's better. Now step on it.
Like a greased whippet, huh?
Oh, that's a nice curve.
Great set of wheels.
Head of steering.
98.
Nossa! 99 articulações. Vamos ver lá.
99.
Morning time.
Hit the targets along the way. Perfect shot.
Battle ammo! Hold on. You two, get in the ring. Okay, let's do this.
Really, Monroe?
Aê, James.
Give it everything you've got.
Everything he's got isn't close to enough. Surrounded. Deal with it, rookie.
Got his firearm.
Out of the way!
What's taking so long? Let's move on.
Segundos. Ah. De novato passei para ser um moderador, né? Alguma coisa.
Where?
Bond, you didn't.
Know what to do. I didn't want to be rude.
Okay. Air crew, you're
Uma
up.
vez.
If you're serious about earning your place, let's go.
Monroe, any dating horror stories you care to share? You look like a man who's had a few.
You think this is a joke?
Take it
easy, mate.
Well, I thought you knew. I don't have to earn this. I can just get by on blind
Ah,
luck, right?
papi.
Who needs luck when you've got the old boy network on your side?
you say, mate? Call it a day?
Okay. No more kick.
Ó, Bomber, olha lá, olha.
Pub rules it is.
Caraca, velho.
Greenway will go barren.
If you had half a clue, you might actually be dangerous. How did you even get here?
Mummy and Daddy pull some strings.
Isso, Zé. Acabando com tudo. Vai dar responde. Pede rentezão, vamos? Monroe, olha lá. Caraca, mano, o James evoluiu pra caramba. Monroe, olha lá. Nossa, que da hora.
Just can't help yourself, can you? I,
Vocês
for one,
sempre não
won't be
conseguem
sorry
conter,
when
não é?
you're gone.
Sir, this is on me.
Senhor, a culpa é minha.
I decided to take the sparring outside of the ring.
Sai um pouco de
Things
controle.
might have
Decidi
gotten
levar o
slightly
treino
out of
para
hand.
fora do ringue.
Don't take the blame for him,
Não
Monroe.
leve a culpa por ele,
Honestly,
Monroe.
sir, he's cleared his close
Ele
combat
atendeu os
requirements.
requisitos de combate corpo a corpo.
I just
Olha
really
lá,
wanted to test
eu
him.
só queria testá-lo.
See what
Ver
he's
o que ele é
got.
capaz. Esteja no limite, peço desculpas.
If that
Monroe,
was out
olha
of
lá.
line, I apologize.
Dr. Hill, que
I expected better from you.
Greenway, eu esperava mais de você. Greenway.
And Monroe,
E Monroe, você
If you
quis
want this
fazer
mess,
bagunça, então agora limpa. Sozinho.
clean it up.
Greenway, ó.
Alone.
E Monroe. Em 2 semanas que o James estava treinando. Nossa. Caramba, hein. É só isso? Não tem mais treinamento? Eu quero mais, eu quero mais.
You passed basic training.
Você passou no treinamento básico. Parabéns.
However,
Mas
there is
tem também
also
a
the
questão
matter
de
of
sua
your
avaliação de
performance
desempenho.
review.
Ah,
Bond is
treinamento
immature
básico.
and reckless,
Bond,
guided by his
imaduro e
gut feelings
imprudente.
and mistaken
Ele é
ideas of
aquisições
loyalty.
de ideias equivocadas
He's a
sobre
bad
lealdade.
influence on the other recruits who
Também uma má influência para os
inexplicably
outros.
fall victim to his charm.
Vítima de seu charme.
Greenway recommends that I cut
Greenway
you from the
recomenda que eu
program.
retire você do programa. Greenway? Olha lá.
Not exactly a surprise.
Isso não é exatamente uma surpresa. Foi?
It's been a
Foi um
pleasure, Mom.
prazer, senhora. Foi um
I
prazer.
want to show you something.
Quero te mostrar uma coisa.
Come.
Venha. O que o James? Foi um prazer, senhora. Retirar ele do programa, o Bond. James Bond. Venha.
Neat trick.
Yes,
Nada
I'd
mal.
rather enjoy it myself.
What's down there?
You'll see, but first let me give you
Você
some
vai ver, mas há
context.
pouco de contexto.
I've
Estou à
been heading
frente do
MI6 for
MIT
14
há
months
14
now.
meses.
Tell me, How many terror
Quantos
attacks have we had
ataques
on
terroristas
British
tiveram
soil in
em
that
solo
period?
britânico
As
nesse
far as I
período?
know, none.
Até
Dead
onde?
agents, blown covers?
I wouldn't know, Mom.
Also
Eu não-
none.
Já o
How
número
about
de
the number of
conflitos
prevented or secretly resolved
incontestáveis.
conflicts? Countless.
Pra onde estamos indo?
This way.
Peraí. Siga a M. Essa é a nossa superiora, né?
I need to check your clearance, sir.
He's with me, there's no need.
Mum.
Never before have we had a success rate like now. Never before the precision, safety, intel quality and conflict
que é isso aqui?
resolution
THEIA?
to such high standards. Unprecedented and unrivaled by anyone else in the intelligence community.
Nossa, é um cofre.
This is the reason for
Essa
our
é a razão
success.
do nosso sucesso.
Meet THEIA.
Conhece a
The world's
THEIA, a
first
primeira
and
e
only
única
second
computador
generation
quântico de
quantum
segunda
computer.
geração do mundo. Ô
I
louco,
thought those
THEIA!
things were theoretical
Eu achava
at
que essas
best.
coisas
That's what
eram
we
na
want
melhor
to
das
think.
hipóteses.
THEIA synthesizes
computador
millions of
quântico. A
data
THEIA
streams
sintetiza
instantaneously
milhões de
to make
fluxos de dados
statistical
para fazer
deductions on
decisões
matters of
estatísticas
national
sobre questões de segurança
security.
nacional.
The system's all but wiped the floor with GCHQ. Since its activation, we've saved more lives, thwarted more attacks, lost
Foi
fewer
computador
people.
quântico.
That was THEIA in
Caso
Iceland,
você esteja se
in case
perguntando,
you were
era a
wondering,
THEIA que
guiding you every step of the
estava
way.
guiando você em cada passo do caminho.
And yet it was
A
wrong.
THEIA, mesmo assim, ela...
THEIA gave you a less than
A THEIA
1%
dava a
chance
você
of
menos de
success. You
1% de
simply
chance
beat
de
the odds.
sucesso. Você simplesmente conseguiu.
I didn't realize those
Eu não
were
sabia que essa era a
actual odds.
probabilidade real.
Still, you
Mesmo assim,
proved an
você provou
important
uma
point
coisa
of
que é
mine.
importante para mim.
You see, I strongly believe that there is still a need for such human flourishes as heart and intuition in modern spycraft. In fact, that's the very reason I'm bringing back the double O's.
Oh, I heard you were cleared for advanced
Programa
training?
00, ouvi. THEIA.
I am?
Eu
You did an
avisei.
impossible thing. I would like
Eu
you to
gostaria
do
que
it
você
again.
fizesse isso de novo. Fizesse o que de novo? Ah,
If I can't,
e se eu não
Well,
conseguir?
then I don't have much use for you, do
Então
I?
você não seria muito útil, seria? Bom,
Now get the hell out of my
agora
Faraday
sai da minha
cage.
gaiola de faroe.
Come on. I'll
Vamos,
take
vou
you to
levar
QLAB.
você ao QLAB. QLAB? Na hora, apresentações.
so what's in
As
QLAB?
instalações do
Apart from
MI6,
Q,
né?
I wouldn't really know where to begin. You'll
Pra
see.
você ver. É Money
You
Penny.
really should work on that infuriatingly secretive side of yours.
Oh. You don't think that I'm
Você acha
hitting
que
all
não
of the
estou sendo
marks?
claro bastante?
Well, how about this? I'm sure there'll be a surprise or two for you in there.
Bit over the top, perhaps.
You just wait and see.
Vamos lá, calma aí. Resumo da ópera. Quer dizer então que nós estávamos no episódio passado coletando na Islândia uma peça desse computador quântico e ela fica nas instalações aqui do MI6 e é aquela missão que tivemos com o James antes no episódio passado na missão na Islândia. O computador com seu algoritmo avançado, computador quântico, aqui a nossa chefe falou que ele é o segundo computador quântico do mundo, pelo menos aqui no universo do jogo. Que o James Bond tinha 1% de chance de ter sucesso naquela missão. E por isso que ela insiste tanto nos recrutar para o programa de espionagem. Ah, entendi. Ah, que da hora.
How about that?
Olha só, brinquedinhos.
I'm sure Q's waiting for you. Oh, and Dr. Tan asked to see you as well. Look for a sign that says Taxim.
Conhecendo os colegas. Ah, calma aí, tem muita coisa aqui, ó. O que é isso? Abajur.
What in the world was that?
Que da hora, cara, conhecendo as instalações. Q07, o que tá escrito aqui? Era
Have the rest of the targets arrived, Carnaby?
Stuck in customs.
Customs? Don't they know we're MI6?
We're not MI6.
Não somos do MI6.
Apparently, they didn't get the memo.
Ridiculous.
Que isso aqui, armas?
Open for business?
Just about, Recruit Bond. Still waiting on deliveries that should have been here weeks ago, but we're more or less up and running.
Sounds good.
Ótimo,
Might give it a try.
Ah, aqui é o arsenal, instalações no negócio de armas. O que é isso aqui? Um mural? Eu quero conhecer essa instalação pertinho. Q08. Eu quero entrar aqui. Vai deixar eu entrar? Eu vou aumentar essa borda. Um servidor. Ah, uma máquina aqui. O que é isso aqui? Aqui por enquanto eu posso andar livremente.
Hey, you're one of the agents in training, right? Best of luck.
Nossa!
Still a few kinks to iron out. The smoke released too early this time.
Probably the proximity sensors need recalibrating. Run diagnostics.
Yes, ma'am.
Nossa, fale com que? Quem? Que? Fale com Celina Dan.
Recruit Bond, if I'm not mistaken. I hear you like to blow things up.
Don't we all?
What can I do for you?
Quem paga tudo?
Something tells me this place does not feature on the security budget.
Correct. We have a sister agency under the Defense Ministry responsible for the development of emerging technologies for use by the military. Their funding budget is effectively limitless. As far as most of Whitehall is concerned, that's where our expenses go. Which is the way we like it.
It looks like you're just setting up shop. New office.
New era. The Double O's got decommissioned more than a decade ago, and Q branch along with it. A lot of what you see just came out of deep storage.
Getting the band back together. You must be excited.
I've designed batteries at a smartphone manufacturer for the past 6 years. You don't know the half of it.
Have you seen Q?
He's out in the main lab.
Ele está no laboratório, obrigado. Aqui é as instalações. Que da hora. Que brequentinhos temos aqui? Vou fechar aqui.
First time. Well, every time feels like the first time. Welcome to QLAB.
Oh, drones.
Excuse me. Sorry. Didn't mean to.
Taser drones, huh?
Yep.
The latest in automated building security. A lot harder to dodge than a CCTV camera.
Plus, CCTV cameras don't usually zap you.
True. This one is a special commission from the Foreign Secretary's office. Apparently they've had several break-in attempts.
Very pro-tech, that Secretary Bright.
Yeah, well, you lead, you follow, or you get out of the way.
Drone multifuncional Mark 4, né? Fitol multi-rator, sistema de controle sem fio, pacote de controle de bordo, semi-autônomo, voltagem taser, 50 mil volts. Nossa, motos de vigilância, térmico, visão noturna, imagem de alta resolução, lidar unidades mutiladas de coisa. Ah, legal isso aqui. Drone multifuncional.
Should I position the flamethrower next to the exhaust pipe or beneath it?
According to the specs, it goes below the exhaust at an upward 22-degree angle.
Got it. Can't believe we're being paid for this.
Slow down. You'll trip on that cable.
Ready?
Hit me.
Oh! You alright?
Bloody hell. It's like stepping in front of a jet engine.
Go again?
Give me a moment. My bells are adjusting.
With that.
Yeah, careful. The sonic pulse is not a toy.
But it is really fun.
Pulso sônico. Ah, uma área de teste, né?
Can't talk right now. Busy.
Jornal. O exemplar de hoje de London Bullet. A primeira página fala sobre uma tensão diplomática entre o Reino Unido e a Eslováquia após uma operação desastrosa do MI6 que acabou com o embaixador eslovaco baleado e morto por acidente. Ursinho Ted? Olha só, hashtag short script, parece o ursinho Ted. Será que o Bond também brinca com isso? É, cara, a referência é o urso Ted. Nossa, que isso. Ted. Nossa.
I know that look. Sweet, isn't it?
O que temos aqui? Impressora multifuncional.
We need to increase the payload. We want an oil slick, not a trail.
The payload size is fine. It's thrust and velocity that's the problem. Let me try and tweak the parameters.
Give it a
Ranger
shot.
Hover. Da hora. Experimente caneta.
Fire in the hole.
Target down. No two ways about it.
Tremendous design. Barely any recoil. What's next?
We need to talk downscaling. Q has a blueprint for a fountain pen version.
Think big. Go small.
Que isso, cara? Eita porra.
Not very cloak and dagger, is it?
Well, sometimes a knife in the dark just doesn't cut it.
Decent pun, Douglas. You've been practicing.
You noticed.
I'll leave you to it.
Essa coisa disparou.
What is that?
That is an impetus cube. Its design is evocative but ambiguous. Its purpose, elusive. Few people can resist the urge to pick it up. Of course, when they do, zap.
Curiosity killed the trespasser.
Stunned. We're not barbarians, but they will need a change of trousers.
Lovely.
Ah, impulso acionador. Ligar. Que da hora, mano. Posso soltar raios.
Not now, please. I'm in the flow.
What are you working on?
Oh, it's this robotic arm.
Ah, neste braço robótico, ele fica você é monte, não é? Cai do incidente da Islândia.
Need to get going.
Braço robótico.
Beautiful ride. Any chance I could take her for a spin?
Depends. Are you biometrically matched?
I'm guessing no.
In that case, absolutely not.
Worth a shot.
Do MI6, vale a pena. Q03, olha lá.
Nice couch.
Not just any couch. Our latest in tactical traps. Say you come home and find an assassin waiting for you in the shadows. No problem. Simply flip the hidden switch, the couch folds in on itself and...
Ah, o sofá se dobra. Ah, o sofá é armadilha, né?
Everyone knows about the exploding cigar, but my personal favourite has got to be the exploding conch.
Well, that, or the one where they supposedly tried to make his hair and beard fall off, so he'd lose the respect of his men.
Honestly, how the cousins managed to stay ahead of us for so long is beyond me.
Manifest destiny?
Must be.
Manifesto. Da hora.
Have you been down to deep storage? Oh, I tell you, some of this Cold War stuff is ingenious for its time. I found this 60s era diesel-powered jetpack. Complete death trap, of course. I wouldn't strap it on to save my life, but still.
Well, yeah. Full marks for trying.
Aviso de oficina, ó. Um aviso para uma oficina interna de RV imersiva, apresentada pela doutora Selina Tantan, o chefe da Tarsting. Doutora Selina.
Guess what else I found in deep storage? A tiny one-person submarine camouflaged as an alligator.
Are you taking the piss? Was it ever used in the field?
Once, in a Caribbean swamp to spy on an opium plantation. But it got attacked by another alligator that accidentally severed the air hose. The agent had to surface and was discovered by the Kingpin's men. That was the end of him.
Poor sod. Well, back to the drawing board.
You said it.
Legal.
Web Industries.
Indústrias Web, ele
come a
decorou
long way
muito
since
desde os
artillery
canhões de
cannons.
artilharia. Revista Tecnologia. A última edição da Cruz Magazine. Traz uma matéria de corpo sobre o Sr. Nicholas Webb, diretor-presidente das Indústrias Web, a empresa de tecnologia mais dominante do Reino Unido. Ah, tem muitos detalhes aqui. Ah, e onde que eu vou?
James Bond. I've been monitoring you quite closely.
The last time someone told me that, I had to leave the country in some haste.
Oh, which country?
Qual país?
Which time?
Que fez?
Dr. Selina Tan.
Doutora Selina
I'm in
Tan,
charge
sou
of
responsável
tactical
pelas
simulations.
simulações táticas.
My
Selina
department
Tan,
specializes in performance management and
em
skill
gestão de
development.
desempenho e
I've been
desenvolvimento de
working with Faye
habilidade.
on a prototype based on the Iceland incident. Once the system is operational, I'd very much like you to have a go.
Ela é
I'm
dona
not sure.
Selina Tan.
Ever been one for nostalgia?
You're intrigued, admit it.
Você ficou
Come and see me
curioso.
after training.
Venha me
I
ver
promise you
depois.
won't be disappointed.
Prometo que não vai se decepcionar. Ah, venha me ver depois do treinamento. Legal. Você é Selina Tan, então.
Guessing this is more than a lab.
Correct. It's also a stun grenade. Click twice in quick succession, and it produces a blinding flash that'll give you just the edge you need in a close-quarter fight. You can also trigger it remotely as a booby trap.
Nice one.
Yeah. We're working on a small-scale version for phones, but it's stuck in design hell.
Ah, legal.
Well, put me on the waiting list.
Você é Selina Tan. Cadê o K? Pera aí, galera, já volto. Ai. Onde que tá esse senhor K?
Are you serious?
Sorry, just trying to get past you.
Mind out.
Apologies. Unintentional.
Can't talk right now. Busy.
Oops.
I'm just trying to get through.
Eu quero falar com o K. Cadê o K?
Hey now.
Unintentional. Just coming through.
Watch out.
Sorry, just trying to get through.
Sorry.
Apologies. Unintentional.
Ah, recruit Bond, if I'm not mistaken.
Posso ajudar?
Can I help you?
Gary,
With my
você.
jaw. Think I dropped it somewhere.
Happens all the time.
Welcome to Departamento K.
What exactly is Q Branch?
MI6's internal R&D
a divisão interna do
We
PID
design
do
customized
MI6.
field equipment for that extra edge.
I'm not getting a cyanide tooth, if that's what you mean.
Cold War myth. We prefer to keep you alive.
And we're on the same page. Who is this Q person?
Quem é esse
He's
tal
the
de
head of
K?
branch.
Ele é o chefe do
Dapper looking
departamento,
chap, but
cara
don't let
elegante.
appearances fool you. The
Pelas
man's mind is
aparências,
as
a
sharp
mente
as the
dele é
crease in
tão
his
afiada
trousers.
quando
I should narrow the list.
Deve reduzir os padrões.
Where might I find Q?
Down past the central platform.
Lá embaixo,
Cheers.
depois da plataforma, valeu. Lá embaixo? Mas como que eu vou descer lá embaixo?
That drone nearly gave our new recruit a free haircut. Keep your test flights tighter.
Point taken, Gary.
Lá embaixo?
No more free haircuts.
Ah, o jogo tá apontando. Você é o K? Ah, você é o cara do departamento aqui,
James
né?
Bond.
James Bond.
Stand still.
I'm looking for someone called
Tô
Q.
procurando alguém chamado Q. K.
And you found him.
E você encontrou?
Right, step through here, please.
Ah, você é Q. Olha lá.
Now, look into these.
Agora olhe para isso. Você é o cara das engenhocas aí.
Hold still, eyes open.
What was that?
O que foi
It's
isso?
your lenses.
São suas
They need a
lentes.
little time to calibrate, so you
Eles
won't
precisam
see
de um tempinho
anything
para
just
calibrar,
yet.
você não verá por enquanto. Olha lá.
Ah, interesting.
Interessante.
Right,
Olha lá.
follow me. I have something for you.
Tenho algo pra você. Venha comigo. Não? Da hora.
Pick one.
Escolha um relógio.
Already
Eu
have
já
a
tenho
watch.
relógio.
Oh, you do?
Ah, você tem
May I
posso
see it?
vê-lo? Ah, posso vê-lo? Ah, não, meu relógio não!
Now you get a new one. Now choose one.
What's the difference?
This one's maroon. That's navy, burgundy, winter grey.
Eu tenho que selecionar o relógio. Qual que é a diferença entre eles? Ah, esmeralda, marrom meia-noite. Marrom meia-noite, cinza brasa, esmeralda, verde esmeralda, Porto Valley, azul marinho, cinza aurora, cinza inverno. Galera, eu gosto da cor azul. Isso vai implicar em alguma coisa? Eu não sei, isso vai mudar alguma coisa, minha gameplay, coisa? Assim, no modo de... cada relógio tem um tipo de equipamento diferente, não é? Vamos lá. Cinza aurora. Marrom meia-noite. Azul marinho, vou escolher isso.
Good choice. Just the right side of ostentatious. You're the first recruit to receive one. Give it a moment to calibrate. Switch on the QLAB overlay.
Hã? Espere. Ah, cada relógio é igual, só muda ativar o modo lente.
Now, use the watch to turn off the two lamps on the table in front of you.
Na mesa à sua frente. Opa! Use P. Ah, da hora. Olha só, o relógio mecânico. Use B para... Ah, a iluminação aqui, né?
Well done. A little practice and it will become second nature. It has a variable active range and a 360 reach angle. To be honest, we haven't tested it to its limit yet.
Teste com relógio. Aqui eu que já é no laboratório. Da hora, cara.
Bloody hell. It's never gone off like that before.
I like it. Don't change a thing.
Não mude nem nada.
Must still be set to my
profile.
Well done, though.
Ah,
let me reset your watch to field
para o modo de campo.
If it runs out of power mid-mission, you can recharge it from whatever electrical devices are available, such as the battery on the bench there.
Ali na bancada.
Montgomery, we need a clean-up over here.
Right away.
Ah, tá pra carregar o relógio aqui, né?
What's that? Q?
What's on your mind?
Me conte sobre Montepenny.
Moneypenny.
Qual é a história dela?
Grew up in Hammersmith, studied computer science at Imperial College London. She turned down an illustrious career in the private tech industry to instead join SO-15 as an intelligence officer. She was tapped for MI6 after she exposed a domestic terrorist cell. Incidentally, I believe she's the one who recommended you for the program.
Me conte sobre M.
What can you tell me about M?
Career diplomat with postings in Jordan, Iran, Iraq, and Indonesia. No one's top pick, but an easy compromise. Uncontroversial, non-partisan, dependable. Someone who wouldn't rock the boat. I dare say a few MPs choked on their biscuits when she relaunched the long-shuttered 00 program on her first day of office.
Why'd she do it?
M puts a lot of faith in people. AI is all well and good, but in her experience, information isn't knowledge, and knowledge isn't insight.
Torture the data, and it will confess to anything.
Precisely.
Legal, exatamente. Quem criou a THEIA? Aqui é o laboratório THEIA, né?
M just showed me the lady of the house. One of yours?
Oh, no. Computers are not my field, quantum or otherwise. THEIA was developed by Web Industries,
AI company.
Only recently. They're one of the UK's oldest defence contractors. Their partnership with the government goes back more than a century.
You don't sound overly enthusiastic.
Well, I make field gadgets, not office supplies.
Laboratório aqui chama THEIA, né?
Who needs an explosive pen when all the agents are snug behind a desk?
Indeed.
The asset in Iceland. I think it's about time someone levels with me.
The asset, as you put it, was a foreign spy satellite. One node in a sophisticated cloud-based data network. Obtaining it would have provided us a unique backdoor deep into a rival's intelligence apparatus.
Right, and I'm sure it crashed entirely by accident.
No, it truly did. guidance chip malfunctioned. Its owners believe it burned up during re-entry, but THEIA pieced together the facts from a number of disparate data points. A Siberian social media post, a Norwegian weather satellite. Quite remarkable, really.
How did Arrowhead find out?
We found spyware on a member of the extraction team's phone. These modern criminals target hundreds of state employees, shotgun approach. Then they sit back and they wait for a boon. I tell you, Bond, you picked one hell of a time to become a secret agent.
Well, better not keep Moneypenny waiting. Good to meet you.
Likewise.
Igualmente. Ah, da hora.
Is that? What is that? What the heck?
Weird.
What's that?
Legal, vamos lá. Que isso? Gostei desses relógios.
You all sorted?
Ainda não estou pronto. Sair para a missão. Montepenny, vamos lá.
Yes.
If you're ready to leave, I'll brief you on advanced training. Your keys.
Suas chaves.
Your digs.
Suas acomodações.
MI6 is
MI6 vai
setting up
colocar
in
você
safe
em
houses
lugar
for the next
seguro
6
para os
months.
próximos 6 meses.
You're with Cressida and Monroe.
Você está com...
So we're not going back to Malta?
Então não vamos voltar para Malta.
I show you this and you want
Eu
to
te
go back to
mostro
bunk
isso e
beds.
você quer voltar para as belícias.
Kill for a place like that.
Ah, não vão voltar para Malta?
But yes, you'll be going back and forth between MI6 and Malta for advanced training. When in London,
E quando estiver em
you'll just have
Londres,
to
você
slum
terá
it in
que se esconder em
Bayswater.
Walter. Eu vou em Londres então, na nossa primeira missão, né? Ah, da hora. Legal.
Oh, Stephen Bright.
Stephen
Secretary Bright. Bond.
Secretário de Relações.
I was just dropping off a few boxes for Cressida. I hope we'll meet again.
No futuro. Ah, então aqui é as minhas acomodações. Ah, vamos lá.
Hey, Bond.
Hey, Bond, bem-vindo ao lar.
Hey,
Cressida.
Hey, Bond.
Ah, Monroe e Cressida lá na Ilha de Malta, eu lembro.
Rooms are in the back. We left you the worst one. Enter the hall to the left.
Cara, você me deu um soco, hein? Ah, acomode-se. Cressida e Monroe são meus colegas de treinamento. Vamos explorar a cozinha aqui, vamos ver o que tem aqui. Tô percebendo que o jogo é linear, né, galera? Não é... Ele é tipo assim, semi-mundo aberto, mas com cenários, né? Você vai avançando. Isso aqui. Cheio, pegar. Ah, as baterias, né? Tá bonitão, Bond. Pronto para elegância para sua primeira missão.
Yeah. This corner's just perfect for my training gear. Now go. Get settled. Your room's down the hall on the left.
Quanta coisa, hein? Pegar. Você escolheu quarto. Quem mora aqui antes?
Did you pick a room? I did. That room's bigger than my entire old place. They're all nice. Yours is just as big. I just need a bed and I'm good. Well, you got one. In a huge bedroom. Might as well enjoy it. I wonder who's last been cooped up in here. Yeah. Any tells? Place is clean.
O lugar está limpo,
Surgically. Of course it is.
Claro que sim. O apartamento era
Moneypenny said the flat's an MI6 safe house. Yeah? I always imagine those to be shitty attics or some run-down farmhouse. I guess they have to put up all sorts.
Moneypenny.
This would make a foreign defector feel like they made the right choice. Go put your bag down.
O cara tá no celular navegando. Foto de família. Uma foto de Monroe com seu avô, um oficial lendário do SIS. Ah! Monroe, uma foto lendária. Que isso?
Bond, in here. I've got something for you.
Bathroom's bigger than my last flat. And the one before that.
O anterior juntos.
Put together.
Nossa, o banheiro é grande aqui, hein? Televisão de plasma, coisa.
Hey, Cress. Foreign Secretary Bright is your dad.
Cress?
I just met him at the door.
Yes. Didn't you know?
Sim, você não sabia.
When did you get here?
About 40 minutes ago.
You're already plastering the walls with study plans?
We have a lot of work ahead of us, but not a lot of
Não temos
time.
muito tempo. Ah, eles são meus colegas de equipe, né? Cresilda e Monroe.
Notes and a mess. In 40 minutes, I'm impressed.
Shut it. You're starting to sound like Monroe.
Like Monroe.
What have you got for me?
The key to your room.
A chave do seu quarto, é
Obviously,
claro,
the
que o
best
melhor
room's
quarto já
already
estava
taken,
ocupado. Mas o
but the
segundo melhor
second
ainda
best
está
one's
livre.
still free.
Really?
Yeah.
Sério? Sim,
How
como
Monroe
Monroe
makes
toma
decisions
decisões
is
é
a
um mistério pra
mystery to
mim.
me.
A chave está
The
na minha
key's on my
mesa.
desk.
Por que escolheu esse quarto?
Why do you think this room is the best one?
Facing east, releasing endorphins in the
Virada para o
morning.
leste, liderando.
Cold in the evening and not facing the
Vale à noite
streets.
sem a vista,
The bathroom
tá?
is right next
O banheiro é
door.
bem
Of
ao
course,
lado.
the pipes and the drains are
Claro,
facing
os
this way,
encanamentos
but
estão
that's a
vindo
small
pra cá,
concern
mas
compared
é
to the
problema
upsides.
pequeno.
You really considered all that?
Você já
Who
pensou em
wouldn't?
tudo mesmo.
Besides, I really like the colour.
Legal. Caixa de vestido. Um presente da mãe de Crescida, junto com um bilhete para sábado. Não se atrase. Esse jogo é exploração, né? Olhar os detalhes. Chave de dormitório.
Boxing glove?
It's for you.
É pra você
Practically
praticamente
had your
tinha seu
name on
nome
it.
nela.
Meant to be a jab.
Vamos conhecer nossas acomodações. Vamos primeiro conversar com o Monroe lá. Deve ter que ter alguma coisa pra falar. Conhecemos então os laboratórios da THEIA, eu acho que fala. Um computador quântico, né? E tudo.
Well, this is me then.
Meu quarto.
Yeah, this does beat the bunk beds.
Melhor que os beliches.
Oh, Monroe. Are you hacking my laptop again? Stop it.
Oh, I can't. As much as you can.
Hackeando, né? Esse relógio só tem essas funções, né?
What are you up to? Trying to read my messages, you creep?
Studster 555 wants to see you again.
Ugh, please. I mean it. Stop it. You're going to break it. Find something else to hack, please.
All right, all right. Something to hack.
Boys, someone needs to unpack the kitchen. What's for dinner?
Leave it. Let's head out and celebrate.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Gotta love this watch. It's great, right?
Not bad at all.
Nada mal.
Powerful thing, this watch. Bond, you want to try the game? Take this card. Look at it for 10 seconds and try to memorize as much as possible.
Jogo memórico. Cartas lembrei do MI6. Uma pilha de cartas para treinamento. O que? Mecânico. E recortação ativa.
10, 9,
9.
8, 7, 6,
o que isso quer dizer?
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Now, tell me what the symbols were in the bottom corners.
Eita, pô, foi rápido. Nos cantos inferiores.
Diamond and crown. Sorry, May. That's incorrect. Could charm the birds off the trees, but forgets to put the kettle on.
Good. Let's settle this once and for all. That poster should not go on our wall.
This is now our home. And our home needs things that really mean something.
And a beat-up flea market poster does?
Oh, that's rich. This is a collector's piece, very rare.
Que isso? Caixa de mudança. Diversos
Just some mass-produced
pertence a
replica.
Crescilda.
Pretty,
Diversos livros de espionagem.
That's not a replica. And I got it when my granddad died. Every time I look at it, I remember the loving patience of the man.
My first date was to that movie. And what came after also had a couple of firsts.
God, now I really don't want it on my wall.
Jogos de tabuleiro. Uma seleção de jogos de tabuleiro para pouco de diversão. Ah, jogos de tabuleiro, legal. Cada missão é intervalo, aqui vai ser a nossa hospedagem, né? Tênis de Monroe. Monroe tem uma quantidade impressionante de tênis.
Love this watch.
Notebook de Crescilda. Computador pessoal de Crescilda. Ah, legal. Carrinho de bebida, um carrinho de bebidas totalmente abastecido.
Laundry room's full of rubbish.
Hey, that's my laundry, mind you.
Ótimo tempo fazer as malas. A roupa suja de Monroe em um saco de lixo. Então quer dizer, nós três vamos se hospedar aqui. Videogame? Ah, que da hora! Ah, eu vou jogar videogame dentro do videogame. Monroe trouxe um videogame antigo para o apartamento. Legal! Parede de estudo de Crescilda já está coberta de notas de estudo. Que isso? Carta de Cranway. Informações sobre o treinamento avançado. Os recrutas viajarão entre Malta e o MI6 nos próximos 6 meses. Recrutas, né? Ah, legal. A minha missão é tornar o James Bond um agente profissional, né? A gente pode sair quando que a gente quiser.
Now you're here, you can help us settle something. I'll just get Monroe. Hey, Monroe.
Hey, Monroe,
Mind coming to the kitchen? Bond, you'll be the judge.
Bond, você é quem decide.
What do you
O que
say?
você acha?
This grotesque pastiche of
Esse
hypermasculine
post-it
tropes,
protege
or
clichês.
this piece
Ou essa
masterfully
dominando
commanding
maciante
negative space with a
espaço.
quiet intensity.
In other words, the cool picture
A legal
or the
ou a
boring one?
chata? Aí eu tenho que escolher a pintura? Legal! Ah, cara, eu vou... Desculpa, Crescilda, mas... Pôster de artes marciais.
The poster. Sorry, Cress. I like the explosive and uncontrolled aesthetics. It's inspiring.
Knew I could count on you, mate.
If that poster goes up here, your shoes go in your room, Monroe.
Those two things are completely unrelated.
A outra. Fale com Crescilda para sair. Ah, um pôster.
Oi, don't mess with the laptop, Bond. That's just rude.
Too little, too late, Monroe. Besides, I like that track. Keep it playing, Bond.
I thought you were joking when you said you had more than 20 pairs of trainers.
I'd never joke about my shoes.
Drinking games. I thought we were here to train.
Alcohol tolerance, my fellow recruit. Diligent training required.
Vamos sair então. Seu pai é secretário de Relações Exteriores?
You didn't care to tell me your dad's the foreign secretary.
Actually, no.
Na verdade, não.
People tend to act awkward around me
As
when
pessoas
I
tendem a
do.
agir de forma
I much
estranha.
prefer to be just
Eu prefiro ser
Cressida.
apenas
Oh, there's
Crescida.
nothing just about
Não há
being
nada
Cressida.
mais.
Nice one, Bond.
Relações
Work on
Exteriores,
your
né? O pai
subtlety,
dela.
and I'm
Ele trabalha
sure
na
you'll
sua
pass social
sutileza.
engineering
Ele
with
tem esse
flying
curso
colours.
na engenharia social. Sair pra missão. Vamos lá.
Let's go eat.
Thank God, I'm starving.
Tô
I
morrendo
heard there's
de
a decent
fome.
Indian just around the corner.
Tem um indiano
There's just
decente
enough
aqui.
time before we head back
Temos
to
tudo
Malta.
antes de voltarmos para Malta.
Monroe,
Monroe, vamos. Conhecemos nosso apartamento, os laboratórios da THEIA. Voltar para Malta. Fevereiro! Ah, primeiro mês, né? Fevereiro. Treinamento avançado, começou. Estamos de volta na Ilha de Malta.
Always do the unexpected. It's the first rule of spycraft. Task is simple. Go in and get the
E pega a
flag.
bandeira.
No lethal force is allowed unless the
Nenhuma força
opponent
letal
has
permite a
intent to
menos que o
kill.
oponente tenha a intenção de
This may
matar.
not be real guns, but we still play by those rules. Is that understood?
Entendido, galera?
Bond, your first Cressida Monroe will be your radio
Seu
support.
suporte rádio.
Try not to embarrass.
Crescido e Morro, você é o nosso suporte rádio. Que da hora, cara. Tô gostando desse jogo.
yourself.
Earpieces in, boys. What's our strategy?
We'll just have to wing it, won't we?
Greenway emphasized our code of conduct. So this exercise must be about testing how good we are with the new equipment from...
Então aqui é o treinamento avançado. É o nosso treinamento na Ilha de Malta. Aprendemos treinamento básico.
Natural thinking and all that?
With that watch, you'll run circles around those grunts.
Come on, get going.
Eu quero hackear você, mano. Entre no campo de treinamento. Petilda e Monroe são nossos companheiros. Então a gente vai ter que elaborar uma estratégia. Olha a cara do subordinado.
In position. Good luck. What are you waiting for? Gate to open.
Must be part of the test. Use your watch, Bond.
Como é que é? Propriedades privadas são áreas que não permitem o acesso por incluso. Ser visto em uma propriedade privada resultará em um confronto e combate. Entrando em uma área de invasão, Bond pode usar todas as suas ferramentas, exceto armas de fogo. Ele pode se esquilar-se ou entrar em combate corpo a corpo, mas sem força letal. Ah!
Entering now. Here we go.
This is it, Bond. Get that flag.
Remember your training, mate. You got this.
You've got your Q lens. Use it.
Good thinking staying low.
Eu tenho que pegar a bandeira.
Nice. They didn't expect that to happen.
Buddy! Hey! What's up here? What in...
Could be worth a look.
What's up with you?
Good choice moving right. I'd have done the same.
There are so many ways to do that course.
Situação contida.
Remember our code of conduct. Don't shoot until absolutely necessary.
Here, you there. What's wrong?
Hey, what's that?
We're about to see you, Bond.
this kind of thing isn't all we'll be doing during training.
We need to sweep the area. Affirmative.
Weird. Would like to check.
All of us search here. Who's shouting now? Better. Can't move for damn plants. Not in. Got nothing here. Calling it. There's nothing in here. Gonna look through here. Stupid thing. Can't move for damn plants.
That was odd.
Can't move for damn plants.
No guns. I know.
Can't move for damn plants.
You made it to the tower. Now get to its top.
Can't move for. Can't find a sodden thing. Search is negative.
Seeing if there's anything
Standing
here.
down.
Keep at it.
What was that? All right. Seems okay now.
Watch it.
Ah, droga.
You're doing great.
No excessive force.
What's that? I need to look. What are these? Odd. No idea what happened there.
6 months of this? Yes, please.
Let me check on that. Looks. That was weird.
Hmm?
I know exactly how I'm going to play this on my run.
Stay there, and they'll spot you.
I'm gonna give you a hiding. On it. Yes, there is a madman down here. Send people.
Vanished. Let's settle this.
It's mine.
Vai tomar no cu! Nossa, falhamos na missão.
Entering now. Here we go.
This is it, Bond. Get that flag.
Remember your training, mate. You got this.
Don't forget your Q lens, Bond.
Good thinking staying low.
Let's show these guys what we're made of.
Stick to the playbook and they won't stand a chance.
Right, let's do this.
Left route. My choice exactly.
Keep it up, Bond.
This ends now.
Hey. If it works, it works. Go for it, Bond.
All to check that.
Huh? Got it. Right, we've got a situation down here. Send back up. Run for it, chicken.
Get back, now.
Let's control him.
Is that...
I've lost sight of him! He's hold up! Flush him out of there!
What? I'm gonna mess you up. Anything comes out there, shoot! I don't see him!
Is that what I think? Let's go.
I've got it. Eyes on the prize, mate.
There.
He's gone!
Shots fired. On my
Can't see him! Out of the way, idiot!
Gun him down!
Nice. Not a sound.
Ready to fire!
I've lost visual on him. We need to root him out. He doesn't stand a chance.
Can't wait for my run. I'll show those wankers.
I'm covering here.
He could be nearby, right?
I don't see anything.
I don't know, mate. I think he's still with us.
What?
Man down! Something's not right here. Could be him.
You as well. Where is the bastard?
Changing position. Searching this room.
Never heard you coming.
Repositioning. Searching through here.
Can't wait to show those SAS when it's my turn.
All clear here.
Droga.
This doesn't make any sense. What could...
Putting on a good show, Bond.
Well, it seems alright now.
They can see you.
I see him! Right there! Got eyes on him. Time to die. Keep up the pace. There, in the plant. Target locked.
You made it to the tower. Now get to its top.
I don't see him.
You going down.
That's it, mate. Silent but violent.
What's in here? Move position. Something's up.
Changing position. Searching the next room.
Never give in. you don't move, they'll clock you.
This is getting stupid.
Oi! Where are you?
That's odd.
Moving to the next position. Searching the next room. Going down.
You left a trail.
There are so many ways to do that course.
What? Making sure nobody's hiding here. Just need a clear path through the plants. Then I'll get it. What's that? I need weed killer.
Moving on. Searching the next location.
You okay?
That's
Vanishing
strange.
act. Nice move.
Heading out. Searching through here.
Hiding like a snake. Don't know what that was.
Our target's not here. Leaving this location. Okay.
Cowering in the bushes like a wind.
No way.
He slipped through the plants!
Nice. Not a sound.
You're finished.
Lost visual! Got a line!
Show your face
Get
and
on
I'll
the
kill
side,
you.
Bond.
Need to find him. Found somebody. There. Look here. What happened to him? Alive. Our man took him
Hope
down.
this kind of thing isn't all we'll be doing during training.
Going up there. Changing position. Searching another room. Something's here. Taking a look. You can't move quietly in this stuff.
Clearing the next area. Searching the next room.
I'm looking over here.
Come on, bunch of come on.
Too easy.
Consegui! Parte! Ah, finalmente avançado. Oh, finalmente, hein?
Again.
Oh! Aê!
Establishing a baseline is the first thing they'll want to do. Answer truthfully. What's your name?
James Bond.
How old are
James
you?
Bond!
26.
That's our baseline. Now watch this.
You're going away.
You don't like me, do you?
I can do this. No bother.
No, I don't.
Well, this is awkward. But the line is flat, so he's telling the truth.
Ah.
Small initial waves just before shows that he's under some duress picking his answer. Let's try again.
Vamos tentar.
Do you think telling me you don't like me will affect my ability to judge you objectively?
Jesus.
This should be interesting.
I think you won't allow me to get under your skin.
Cagey phrasing like that fools no one. Might as well call me incompetent to my face. Do you miss your parents?
None of your business.
But you would agree that being orphaned at a young age has left you rudderless and unable to finish anything meaningful.
What?
No.
Are you offended? You think I've overstepped? You do realize that the people who put you in that chair in real life, they won't play fair.
Dig in.
I can't believe you made it out.
Oh, yes, it was very dangerous.
Bond, We're waiting.
Esperando. Oh, James. Bond. Ah, vários meses estão se passando.
Pub?
Archives.
Arquivos. Olha lá.
Are you comfortable?
Thank you. I am.
Let's calibrate. What's your name?
Cressida Bright.
Eye color?
Pale blue grey.
Okay, that's a solid baseline. Now, start spinning porkies, Cress.
Ready? Here we go.
Pronto, vamos lá. Perguntar o nome.
What's your name?
Rosie Poole.
Wow, nothing. Try something harder.
Cressida, does it bother you to be such a nepo baby?
Don't be absurd. My parents are serving time for embezzlement. I had to change my...
Ah, é um plano de perguntas e respostas, né?
Because of it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the Foreign Secretary isn't doing time at the moment. But speaking of your dad, isn't it true that you're choosing your career just to spite him?
I don't have a career and I never will. I consider my time best spent supporting my husband and his.
Trad wife and no spike. You'll have to do better to trip her up, Bond.
And tell me, Cressida, did I see you checking out Monroe at the fridge this morning?
What? No, that is not fair, Bond.
What? She fancies you, mate.
Why didn't you just say so?
Aha! Peguei! Acrescilda!
Before you use these gadgets in the field, it's important you understand how they work. These phones do more than just
Tem que fazer as perguntas assertivas.
Bond, Ronson, please pick up a phone and load up from the chemicals on the workbench.
Can't wait.
Go on, guys, try it out.
Here we go. Come on, Ronson.
Glad it's not me.
It will be next.
Come on, Bond.
Found what I need.
Splendid. Ronson, step into the red square. Bond, step into the blue circle.
Well, this is going to suck.
Fica no círculo azul.
Bond, whenever you're ready.
Sorry, Ronson. Nothing personal.
Ah, aliado.
Nausea, dizziness, and
desorientação. Legal,
the
cara.
target's balance is affected, making it impossible for them to remain standing in one place.
Ah, legal.
For when you need someone out of your way.
Fora do controle.
Shit. It's not
possible.
possible.
Não é possível.
Given your current inability to listen to my guidance, it is not. Bond?
Bond, é a sua vez.
Get there, mate. I don't know.
Ah, não sei. Ah, é a
Can't
tenente.
control the target, no, but you can learn to control you. Bond, pick up the gun and hit the target.
Acertar o alvo.
Sounds simple enough.
Better. Again.
Como o foco acelera o tempo, dando a você mais tempo para mirar nos alvos. Ah, foco.
Yes. One more time. Almost. Try again. Skill or pure dumb luck? Let's find out.
Tudo! Ah!
Again.
De novo, Ray. I can't! Ah.
I can't believe you pulled that trick on me. Always do the unexpected.
Primeira regra da espionagem. Ah.
I'm impressed.
Estou impressionada.
Yeah, you still beat me.
Você ainda consegue.
Well, of course.
Bom, claro, mas mesmo assim.
Still.
Early day tomorrow.
Amanhã bem
Catch the
cedo, pegue a
flag at
bandeira ao
daybreak.
amanhecer.
SAS
Senhor
are prepping for it
o
now.
SAS está se preparando para isso
Suggest you
agora.
get some
Sugiro que
rest.
vocês descansem pouco. SAS?
I remember when Sundays were
Lembra de
Sundays.
quanto domingos eram
Yeah.
domingos. Ei, escuta, por que não tiramos uma folga amanhã?
Hey, listen, why don't we just take tomorrow off?
É,
I wish.
quem me dera.
I'm serious.
Estou falando sério.
Can we go get the flag
Vamos
now?
pegar a bandeira agora. E tem um
Have a
merecido
well-deserved rest
descanso amanhã.
tomorrow.
Fugir as regras, né?
That's actually not a bad idea.
Essa não é uma má ideia.
What? You
Uau,
wanna
o que
do
você
this,
quer fazer com isso, Chris?
First for the spycraft?
Primeira regra da
Greenway
espionagem. O
can't possibly
Greenway não
object.
pode negar isso. Ah, o Greenway, né? Desobedecer ordens.
They're gonna stand there all
Eles
night.
vão ficar aí parados a noite toda.
Leave them to me, boys. Earpieces in?
Dar. Me avise
Let me know when
quando
you're
estiverem
through.
prontos.
Hey guys.
What are you doing there?
O que vocês querem essa hora?
Let's go.
Vamos lá.
Listen, I know you guys don't like to be humiliated on the courses, but if you choose to see through our superiority, we're actually really nice people.
You believe this girl? Piss off.
Okay, I'm just messing with you. I am serious about us not seeing eye to eye. It's silly, really. So we just wanted to reach out and invite you over for tomorrow night, get to know each other outside training. It's Greenway's birthday, we're throwing him a little party. He likes you guys.
You have a funny way of patching things up. I thought you're like training him and sort of.
Well, you're gonna flat me already, aren't you? So I guess my training's not half bad.
Bond, over here. More of them. We need to get past if we want to find the flag.
Okay. I'll go around the side, see if I can distract them.
Check. What? But I didn't see. How did you...
Brefar. Atrair. Ah, eu escolho a abordagem, né?
Try Knight takes Queen.
If that's you, Bennett, I'm gonna stick this knight somewhere you want.
Ah, deixa eu ver. Use o comando de atrair para afastar inimigos de grupos ou atraí-los para espaços desprotegidos. Ah.
Like it.
Okay, let's split up. I'll go this way. We need intel on the flag's location ASAP.
On it. Keep in touch.
Encontre a bandeira.
I know I'm gorgeous, but you should get moving.
Don't flatter yourself. You're not my type.
Ouch. You really know how to break a boy's heart.
Hey, standards are important.
Confrontar inimigos.
Hey, what are you doing?
Ah, o que é? Fingir redição. Brefar.
Oh, hey! Listen, Greenway's birthday's coming up and we're throwing him a little thing. Just spreading the word. Mind if I pass?
Okay. Go ahead.
Ok, vai em frente.
Shit.
Ah, brefando, legal, da hora. Uma abordagem. É aniversário do Treinamento. Ah.
Hardy with the spies. Didn't see that one coming.
Monroe? They're having a party without us. Bit insulted. Any word from your two friends?
Nah, still out. They just don't make SAS troopers like in my day.
Okay, I'll keep looking. There's a building across the compound that looks like a good place to start.
Sounds like you boys are enjoying your little game of hide and seek.
What the hell was that? I need to
burn the sausages.
Cool. That's all right.
Ah, cabancas contratados sem treinamento em combate, perigosos e mais agressivos. Quando em maior número, não deixe que eles cerquem bonde. O quê? Golpes e agarrões eficazes, líder. No combate à distância, eles usam poder de fogo pesado. Dorme a iniciativa agarrando-se, empunhando-os para desviar. Combos de quebra de bloqueio são úteis de onde já estiver atacando. No combate, use cobertura.
This break has caught United by surprise. It's 2 against 4. Hendricks crosses wide to Keating, who takes it on the volley. And Innes punches it wide at his near post. It's a corner for City.
Tidman is going to take the corner for City. Crosses into the front post. Alejandro gets his head to it, but it hits the woodwork and bounces.
Treinamento.
Are you sure you're in the right place? I'm gonna snap your neck.
You're in it now, man.
Let me at it.
Okay, back on track. Other guy's taking a bit of a kip.
They continue to push forward with this counter-attack while City players track back and regroup.
Johnson to cross. Borowski passes high across the box towards the far post. But there's no one there to meet it. Goal kick for City.
Disappointing after United showed great pace on the break. But there wasn't any support for the strikers.
Mate,
so far it's City.
what's wrong with you?
And now it's City on the break. Good skill from Thomas. It takes 2 United players to stop him in his tracks.
He's been in great form of late, and his work rate is fantastic.
What's wrong with you?
Always ready to track back and help defensively.
Just as we expected, this
What's
is
going on? Wait!
He's been impressing everyone with his form since the start of the season.
There's great promise from the home side this evening.
Yes, there really is. And some of that comes down to the way the manager, Murphy, has worked on the team's movement. And it's improving results.
Looking forward to taking the gloves off tomorrow.
Yeah. It'll be nice to remind the baby spies who the real professionals are.
I'm stuck on the top floor with a bloody flag.
Hope you bought a good book. There's no way we're letting them get that far.
This break has caught United by surprise. It's 2 against 4. Hendricks crosses the white to Keating, who takes it on the volley.
Bond, just overheard a couple of troopers talking about the flag. It's on the top floor of the back building. Meet me up there.
On my way.
He's using the plants. I'll take him down. Can't see him. Show yourself. Let's finish this.
What's moving around?
There!
Got it.
Ready to fire.
Fighting Bond.
Hello? Wouldn't dream of it. Let's control.
Went in the smoke. Last chance.
Right away, dead man.
Can't see him.
Who's there?
Not so quick.
I'll take him down.
Understood. Make the call.
Last chance.
Pick up.
You run perimeter.
We're dealing with a maniac here.
Sarge wanted me to check the flag.
What?
Hold on. You check the top floor?
Come here.
Might be faster than not right, Bond. Where's the fun in that?
We're gonna finish.
I'll take him down.
Toma no cu, cara! É, suicídio.
It's a race between Townsend and Milton for the loose ball. Townsend gets there first. He immediately sends the ball across the park to Johnson. United have a break of their own, so not slipping up some support.
They continue to push forward with this counter-attack.
Don't burn the sausages.
Trooper? What are you doing up here? There's an intruder in the lower levels.
That's got it.
He's been a great role today, and his work rate is fantastic. Always ready to track back and help defensively.
This is turning out to be very critical. Two star drivers
First up for our Brad. He's been impressing everyone with his form since the start of the season.
see what the match from the home side this evening.
Yes, there really is.
So it's sort of
down to the way the manager, Murphy, has worked on the team's movement.
I would say that.
And it's improving results.
Charlie on an island this size. Daft got the quick fingers on our support hands and that.
I've been made that. I'm navigated by the smell of fear. Right then. It's a dangerous break. They head towards the 18-yard box and the United defence scrambles to get itself in order.
This break has caught United by surprise. It's 2 against 4. Hendricks crosses wide to Keating, who takes it on the volley. And Innes punches it wide at his near post. It's a corner for City.
Sidman is going to take the corner for City. Crosses into the front post. Alejandro gets his head to it, but it hits the woodwork and bounces.
Something.
Peters is the first to the ball for United and cuts it clear. Oh, that wasn't pretty, but United have survived the most dangerous moment for them in the match so far.
City are piling on the pressure at the moment. The United defence needs to get themselves organised if they want to stand a chance against this revitalised City team.
It's a race between Townsend and Milton for the loose ball. Townsend gets there first. He immediately sends the ball across the path to Johnson. Have a break of their own, so long as they bring up some support.
They continue to push forward with this counter-attack while City players track back and regroup.
Johnson to Borowski. Borowski passes high across the box towards the far post. But there's no one there to meet it. Goal kick for City.
Disappointing after United showed great pace on the break. But there wasn't any support for the strikers. So far it's City who are the ball.
Good skill from Thomas. It takes 2 United players to stop him in his tracks.
He's been in great form of late, and his work rate is fantastic. Always ready to track back and help defensively.
Just as we expected, this is turning out to be a very difficult path. 2 arch rivals, evenly matched and giving nothing away.
First touch for Abrak. He's been impressing everyone with his form since the start of the season.
It's great promise from the home side this season.
And some of that comes down to the way the manager, Murphy, has worked on the team's movement. And it's improving results.
Gaddis with the flick forward. Miller in a good position to try a long cross.
Harris intercepts the cross. Passed it out to
Bond, just overheard a couple of troopers talking about the flag. It's on the top floor of the back building. Meet me up there.
On my way.
This race has caught United by surprise. It's 2 against 4. He takes it on the volley.
Looking forward to taking the gloves off tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be nice to remind the baby spies who the real professionals are.
I'm stuck on the top floor with a bloody flag.
Hope you bought a good book. There's no way we're letting them get that far.
The first of the ball for United and nothing clear. Our wasn't pretty, but United have survived the most dangerous moment for them in the match so far.
City are fighting on the pressure at the moment. The United defence don't stand a chance against this revitalised City team.
It's a race between Townsend and Milton for the loose ball. Townsend gets there first. He immediately sends the ball across the path to Johnson.
Track back and regroup.
Watch out, Bond. They're about to spot you.
Pick it up, Bond. Find the flag.
Disappointing after United showed great pace on the break. But there wasn't any support for the strikers. So far it's City who are the more organised team.
And now it's City on the break.
Can you hear me?
Good skill from Thomas. It takes 2 United players to stop him in his tracks.
He's been in great form of late, and his work rate is fantastic. Always ready to track.
Okay, back on track. Other guy's taking a bit of a kick.
Time for that. Listen up. I want this area searched. Go. Leave it with me.
Great promise from the home side this season.
Yes, they're really Murphy has worked on the team's movement. And it's improving results.
Gaddis with the flick forward. Miller in a good position to try a long cross.
Harris intercepts the cross. Passed it out to Keating, who evades a heavy challenge from Emble. Plays it down the line to
Looks good. Moving on.
They head towards the 18-yard box, and the United defence scrambles to get itself in order.
This race has
Checking out this area.
It's 2 against 4. Where did you disappear? Takes it on the volley, and Innes punches it wide at his near post. It's a corner for him.
Looking into this.
It's the first of the ball for United and unseen clear. United have survived the most dangerous moment for them so far.
City are fighting on the pressure at the moment. The United defence team
Bond,
organised.
have you checked the top floor?
We're in this area.
Between Townsend and Milton for the loose ball. Townsend gets there first. He immediately sends the ball across the path to Johnson. Have a break of their own so long as they bring up some support.
They continue to push forward with this counter-attack.
I've got nothing here. Giving this a once-over.
But there's no one there to meet it. Goal kick for City.
But there wasn't any support for the strikers. So far it's City who are the more organised team.
And now it's City on the break. Good skill from Thomas. It takes 2 United players.
Always ready to track back and help defensively. First touch for Abrak. He's been impressing everyone.
What are you waiting for? Get the flag.
The car's a total write-off. Jesus, what was that daft old bugger thinking? Yeah, I know he's your dad, but you should have known better. I don't want to argue. How much is the insurance? What? What? Way more than
Do you have permission to be here? You need to stop doing that.
Take it easy. There's an intruder running around the lower levels.
Nobody told us.
Always the last to know, eh?
I've lost him!
Bond, have you checked the top floor?
Wait, wait! What the hell?
Look.
Go.
Thought you were on perimeter check.
Done.
What the
Sarge
hell?
wanted me to check the flag room. Now I'm cutting a steak before we're all gone.
You're right behind you. I can smell them from up here.
What's taking so long? Get a move on.
Damn thing.
Isso, Bond. Conseguimos.
You got it? Right here. Follow me. I've got a plan.
Bond? Monroe? Status?
Monroe just crashed the party.
Acabou de invadir a festa.
Come on, take him down! Christ! Oi, come back! Oi, lads! Up here! Up there! Get him!
There's too many of them. Sit rep. We're screwed. Thanks, mate.
Things just got sticky. Main door exit's not really an option just now.
Shit. New plan. Meet me at the backside docks.
Can't. Monroe's in trouble.
Block the door.
I'll circle around and meet you there. See you in a bit.
Manta. Hey! Hey!
I've got a visual on the stand.
On the stairs! Come on, hard man.
Over there!
You'll suffer for that.
Monroe! ETA!
Yeah, not gonna make it to the dock.
No!
Any chance you could go round and pick me up? I could do with a ride.
You can't hide! Alert!
Desperately.
What's your location, Monroe?
Just pin the route for you.
Good call on the boat, Cress. I owe you one.
You can add it to the tab.
Glad to hear you're all safe. Could you get a move on and come and get me?
So I'm curious to hear how every SAS in the compound suddenly got alerted to our presence.
Monroe, you take that one.
Can't talk right now.
Conveniently so. What happened to get in, grab the flag, and leave no one the wiser?
Yeah, that plan went a bit south.
I dare say.
Best laid plans, as Greenway says.
You're quoting Greenway now. Sure you're okay?
Even a broken clock is right twice a day.
Enough of idioms.
Rains and pours.
Guys!
Coming.
Christ, they're really going at him. Bond, go!
Nossa, eu não podia chamar a atenção, né?
Sorry. Putting it a bit close there. No worries, mate. All the time in the world.
Quem chamou a atenção foi ele.
New course. Tougher opposition, tighter deadline. So be smart. Fastest win gets extra credits. Yes, what is it, Bond?
O que é Bond?
First rule of spycraft.
Primeira regra da espionagem.
Always do the unexpected.
And what about it?
E o que tem isso? Ah,
followed it, sir.
Nós a seguimos, senhor. Sr. Greenway, olha lá. Primeira regra da espionagem. Muito bem, isso foi inesperado, né? Fomos aprovados? Agosto!
Grab your coat. We're going
Pega a
out.
casaca, vamos sair.
Don't tell me. Tea and cucumber sandwiches.
You wish.
Vai
Come on.
sonhando. Vamos, come on. Come on, come on. Vamos pra festa! Oh, aí sim, hein?
Here's to everything not MI6.
Oh, olha, tá relaxamento, né?
Can't fault their timing.
Preciso da, olha lá.
You, my big mouth.
Eu e minha boca. Noite de descanso. Londres!
Contact at the bar.
What did your text say?
Got a software update for my gear, so I've had plenty of time to access all of your phones and read your messages. Hope you have somewhere to be.
Right, I do. Did that snooping around give you any hints on what to expect?
It did.
But what?
Get going and you'll find out.
No requests made. Go back.
Of course. Yeah, I'll be on my way then.
It's not happening.
Charm.
What'd you say?
And if we want to go on real missions next, this is the time to prove we're up for it. Strategy, conquer and divide.
Right, you're the talker, while I'm
more direct. Let's play to those strengths.
Working out a strategy?
Now, Bond. We aren't past training yet. I might not be able to top Crester's scores, but I plan to beat yours.
Better get going if you don't want to fall behind.
Excuse you.
Ah, legal. Ai, a missão. Tá bem, colega.
How much? For 2 cokes? You're having a laugh.
What am I supposed to do with this?
It's your coat. You can...
How? Oh, sorry. I'll move.
It's your coat. You carry it. You heard what they're charging for the cloakroom.
You cheap twat.
Go ask them to chuck it in a corner. Maybe you'll get a discount.
I'm certainly not feeling all that great. Oh, yeah, better now. That was weird.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you mind? You've got eyes. Use them.
get through. Nash, ready?
Told to wait here for further instructions. You too.
Oh, just passing. Good luck.
Naughty. Let's have one.
Alright, well keep an eye out for stuff, will ya?
Just need to get through.
Ah, e eu fico fazer o quê? Vamos voltar de vermelha, Grisilda.
The epiphylium oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
That's an interesting pickup line.
Sorry. Thought you were someone else.
Hey, how can you be so sure I'm not the one you want, yeah? We only just met.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Leaving. Excuse me.
Oi, I'm not finished with you.
Leave it, Gav. Leave it. Come on, let's buy me a drink.
Charming.
Gavin, don't. He's no way. Easy
Wayne's
now.
giving me shit.
No, he's leaving, okay? Calm down. Can't we just enjoy ourselves tonight? How about you get me that drink?
If I see him again, I'll mess him up. Smoke bastard.
The epiphyllum oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
And only for a single night.
What have you got for me?
There's a package for you in the gents. Watch it in private. X marks the spot.
Oh, she's marked Ugar.
Right.
Pour me a pint of lager, will you? And get this girl whatever she likes.
A gentleman! How quaint!
We're a dying breed, I'm afraid.
Alas.
What's your poison then?
No harm done.
Excuse me?
Smoked old-fashioned for the lady.
Coming right up.
Can you point me to the gents, please?
Over there by the entrance.
Oh, do excuse me.
Lugar, tomara que não dá direitos autorais. Caramba, velho. Vamos lá.
Oh, you shouldn't be back here, mate.
Sorry. Of course.
Localiza em pé.
Don't mind me.
I do need to pass.
Sorry, passing through. Found you.
Opa, encontrei você.
MI6 has identified a leak from the Trade Ministry. We've narrowed our suspects to 3 secretaries, Rick Bolthorpe, Alice Wetherall and Joshua Pike, all at the club this very evening. Your job is to identify the culprit. Bond, you'll be teaming up with Nash and Singh to focus on Pike. Keep this device on you and get up close. It will enable Singh to access Pike's phone. Best of luck, Bond.
Singh, Nash, we're on Pike.
Already looking for him.
Let's do this.
Ah, tem que encontrar então de speaker. A primeira missão no é no baile, né?
Told ya, I wasn't finished with ya. Everyone else, out.
Really?
Hey!
Sure you wouldn't rather go hang in the bar? I have to warn you, I'm pretty good.
No one chats up my girlfriend.
The man of principles.
Thought you said you were good at this.
I'll let you have that one.
What the hell, Bond? You fighting?
Yeah, sorry. I'll be quick.
Deixa eu ver o movimento, combate.
Cop that, smart ass.
That's gonna cost you.
That could be you.
Don't forget to flush.
Ele queria confusão com o cara na namorada, o cara assim mesmo. Eu tenho que aprender os combates. Deixa eu ver, desviar.
Nash. Oh, you're all done?
Yeah. Thanks anyway.
What? No, I just came to watch.
Listen, guys. Pike's upstairs, but it's guest list only. But I got the club blueprints, and there are some backstairs behind the bar.
How about the dance floor balcony? That's an access point.
Esse é o que de objetivo. Veja objetos, objetos, dicas e oportunidades aqui. Chegue ao salão do andar de cima, atrás do bar. Há uma rota para a sala 1 do outro. Mostrar dicas. Essas são dicas úteis para descobrir oportunidades, progredir nos objetivos e subobjetivos. A primeira oportunidade selecionada é rastreada automaticamente. É possível ativar e desativar o rastreamento das oportunidades. O rastreamento é uma oportunidade, geralmente significa que as outras oportunidades não precisam ser concluídas. Escolha uma oportunidade para rastrear. Da hora.
Balconies, Nash?
Aye, overlooking the dance floor.
And how do you suggest I get up there?
I don't know. Just telling you, it's an access point.
Sing? Backstairs are staff only, I presume?
Right. They're in a storage area, so don't get in trouble. Get upstairs, Bond. And Nash, you find a good vantage point for observations.
After you, Bond.
O que é isso aqui? Alguns dispositivos como os telefones dardos podem ser usados em espaços públicos. Use as informações coletadas e postos resolvidos quando atravessar espaços públicos.
Hey, Cressida.
Bond? This is great. Monroe and I got Alice Witherall. My bet's on Pike, though. Who'd you get?
Pike. With Nash and Singh.
Oh, Alice is on the move. Can't talk.
Pardon me?
Just passing through. Don't mind me.
But he just slinked into the crowd and his
sorry.
You know the type. I'll move. Slippery with sixth sense. Did you hear about the guy last week?
climb the light rig backstage to get to the free bar in the upstairs lounge.
No shit.
I did.
There's an idea.
But he just slinked into the crowd and disappeared.
That's
You know
an
the type.
idea.
Slippery with sixth sense.
Oh, I do. Empty-eyed.
Oh, rastreado. Acima e além.
Busy hands. I had one who tried to put bottles in the bar every time I turned my back. When I realised, he just had that empty stare. Like he was too stupid to try and live like that.
Thanks for the drink.
Excuse
that
me.
That bartender just kept ignoring me.
Oh, we have it!
You're my knight in shining armor.
Smooth.
That's fine. Well, I do work for the government, so maybe a little bit of a night.
You do? That's amazing. What do you do there? I bet it's something important.
Yeah, I suppose it is. I work in the trade ministry.
A ministry official. I'm impressed. Why don't we find a seat somewhere and you can tell me all about it?
I'm sorry, I'll get out the way.
See that bartender? What do you think?
What do I think about what?
You've got to come.
Do you think
I even got you on the
single?
VIP list. Free drinks in the upstairs lounge.
Ah, lounge bar, bebida
Of
escondida.
course I didn't. Jones? Jones! Just say Jones and you'll get the stamp. But you said you'd show up. Come on, everyone's here. Music's great. Just get your arse in gear and get down here. We'll sort all that tomorrow. One night off. It'll be fine.
Obtenha um selo. Ah, o selo, né, para chegar lá em cima. Pô, cara, da hora que isso aqui tem várias maneiras de abordar na missão, né? A gente escolhe como espião. Ah.
What's his problem?
Mind yourself.
Hey, I'm here.
Come on, give me a break.
You got a stamp?
I didn't know I needed one.
If you're on the list, you can get it in the cloakroom. If you're not, you're out of luck.
Bloody hell.
Oh, it's my bad.
What are you doing here? You need to get upstairs.
Any tips?
Yeah? Get a move on.
Thanks.
Sorry, need to get by.
You've got eyes. Use them.
Upstairs lounge.
Yeah, name's Cloves.
All right. I'm not seeing any clothes, so sorry, mate.
Looking for the upstairs lounge?
Other side of the club. You got a stamp?
No.
Oh, you need one. If you're on the list, my gorgeous colleague over there will sort you out.
Thanks.
Sorry, it's my fault.
Careful.
Oh, I'm very sorry. Let me get out of your way.
On the damn list. Look again. I guarantee you've missed it. It's Ria, R-I-A. The promoter Jessie knows me. She put me down that way. Who uses full names? Seriously? Oh, okay, but if you...
Sorry, sir.
Mind yourself.
Hey, watch it.
Careful.
O selo. Estrutura de iluminação. O Kalim pode acessar o andar de cima, que está na chapeleta. Um tal de John está na lista de convidados. Selo.
Quite right.
Watch it.
Careful.
Your stamp? Thanks.
Did I just see you walk right past those bouncers, Bond?
What? I just showed them my stamp.
Boa. Essa foi uma jogada inteligente.
No, you're not meant to be here.
That's okay, I'm with the union. We've had complaints that your employer is doing illicit surveillance in the staff areas. I'm here to look for cameras.
Oh, shit. Have a look around.
Will do.
You want to know if she's single? All you've got to do...
You get out of here.
What if she thinks I'm an arsehole for us?
Sorry.
God, that would make me look such a twat. Would ya? Would you ask her?
Keep walking.
Oh, sorry, I'll get out the way.
Excuse you. Out of the way, please.
In the lounge now, looking for Pike.
Find him and get up close.
Here, let's do one for the socials.
Use your Q lens to locate Pike's phone.
Don't you ever take a day off?
Got to grow the follower count rate. Remember, who scored you those VIP invites?
Your followers, Lucy, not ours. We got
VIP! Oh, all right. I didn't think the big fella was going to let us in. What now?
You get your shirt off and show us your moves. If they're rubbish,
Bond,
we'll
use your Q lens to locate Pike's phone.
I see him.
I'm heading back in. Coming. Wait a moment. We're not coming this way.
Fair enough.
What's supposed to happen?
A way to convince this chap.
Did he get hurt? Just his pride. And perhaps his ankle. A bit.
Later, ladies.
So you'll think twice before jumping on stage another time.
Now we're getting somewhere. Stay up close for data extraction.
Rose is asking for you, Josh. You going in?
Yeah. I'll just fetch the others.
Data still coming in, but I believe we've identified our Trade Ministry leak. I'm getting photos of classified documents from Pike's phone. Bond, stay up close.
Let's finish this.
I'm getting drinks. You want anything?
We're good. Meet you there.
Entendi. Já é quase 3 horas, já eu termino.
Oh, my boyfriend's not looking too hot. He won't say what's happened, but I have a feeling you happened.
Get rid of her, Bond.
I don't know if I should be angry or flattered.
Probably a bit of both.
Yeah. Also, a little impressed. What do you say? You want to get out of here?
Meet me outside in half an hour.
Ah, me encontro lá fora meia hora.
Bad news. Pike just entered the exclusive booth.
Better find a way in there then.
Hang on, do I know you? I think I should if you're in here, it being my party. I mean, I'm paying for the bloody thing, and it's not exactly cheap if you get what I'm saying.
Don't be an arse, Crispin. Besides, I'm pretty sure he's Rick's mate.
That's right. Nice to meet you. Now, if you'd excuse me.
Yes, but I deserve it.
Ladies and gentlemen, data extraction complete.
Good job. Now let's celebrate. Where are you guys?
I'm up here on the balcony.
On my way. Watch yourself. Just passing through.
Sorry. You know, put in a good word. Pique his interest.
Guys, just go talk to him and you're halfway.
Encontre Crescilda na sacada. Crescilda está aguardando na sacada que dá uma vista para a pista de dança.
Then tell me more about him. What's he into?
Missão concluída.
I don't know. We just work together. The usual stuff.
Think, Pike. There must be something.
Don't be so desperate, Rose. You smell that a mile away.
I'm not desperate. I'm just making sure I get what I want. And I want Rick.
You don't even know it.
True, but I can see him though. And I like what I see. Why don't you text him and ask him to come up here?
Sure.
What does he say? Is he joining us?
That's an answer. What happened to that other guy? Brandon?
Wow, that's ages ago. Oh, you mean Briggs?
Maybe. Yeah.
Hot as hell, but quite
Oh, sorry.
That's my fault.
I'll move.
I'm very sorry. Let me get out of your way.
What a night. I think we...
Listen, I just found something. Pike's meeting his contact tonight at the club.
And?
We need to act. We could unravel the whole network.
And how exactly would that play out?
Have they met before?
No. First time.
Perfect. Monroe, how about you intercept the meeting? Pretend to be Pike. Bond, you make sure Pike doesn't show.
Any ideas?
Our best bet would be to stow him away somewhere. Lock him in. That ought to be possible up here.
I'll figure something out.
I'll be by the stairs to make sure Pike doesn't slip down.
Eu tenho que garantir que o Pike não chegue no contato. Encontre local para a armadilha.
Okay, I take it back. There is one guy here,
This'll do nicely.
I'll lure him in there. It's perfect.
Am I thinking exactly?
face.
Watch yourself.
Don't mind me.
Joshua Pike! Change of plans, come with me.
Who the hell are you?
Your contact had to abort last second. I'm his replacement. If you want this deal to happen, then start walking.
Okay, I'll walk. I thought you wanted to talk in private.
Come on, this way. Just through here. In here. After you.
Hey! What the hell?
Bottle service.
What?
Ah!
Right, guys, that's Pike take.
Aqui é um bom lugar, ninguém vai suspeitar que ele tá aqui.
Care of. Locked him in.
Time for phase 2. Bond, meet me by the stairs. Let's regroup.
Boa, Bond! Haha! Peidei ele aqui porque ali ele não faz barulho. Oh, legal, cara. Cada missão tem várias maneiras de abordagem. Rapaz, tô gostando disso aqui.
Well done, Bond. Now we just need Monroe to scare the socks off her so she calls her boss.
Change of plans? I just found a message. She's expecting someone tall, dark, and handsome.
And 2 out of 3 won't do.
It'll have to be Bond then. Where is she?
I've got eyes on our girl. Pretty black dress. She's behind the cloakroom.
No rest for the wicked.
Ah, dica.
Oh, you now, bud. No pressure. Any suggestions on rattling that cage?
Tempt her, scare her. You'll think of something.
Right.
É o seguinte. Tá acabando a bateria no meu. Beleza? E eu vou me despedir dessa. Tá acabando a bateria aqui do meu controle. E eu joguei mais ou menos 3 horas de gameplay. Hoje serviu mais para conhecer a Ilha de Malta, treinamento de James Bond, a THEIA. Conhecemos mais a fundo nossa chefe, a Cris.